Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'll be going through how to change the accessory belt along with changing the tensioner and pulley in your 718 Cayman base. At this point, you'll want to take off these trim pieces around the seat belt. And I've already started this one. It's best if you kind of start from the window and work your way in to pull this trim off. And then just let it sit here on the side. Again, make sure you pull out the clips that you may find that have been pulled off of your trim piece. Take those off and put them back on the plastic part. At this point, you'll finally be able to use some tools to take out the T30 Torx bolts on this silver piece, 2 on each side. Once you have both done, then you just lift this piece out and you're ready to take the next step. At this point, you'll want to take this center piece out. And for mine, that is very easy because it wasn't attached. Be careful of any of the little nubs that you see. Make sure that those get back onto the parts. Otherwise, you might have some rattles. To gain access to the front of the engine, it's easiest to kind of pull these seatbelt pieces to the front. And then you need to take off this piece, this trim piece, which is just a couple clips. And then to get it completely out, you just want to lift up on the piece that goes in the front along the sill, and then this piece comes out. And now the final piece to this is to just go ahead and pull this carpet piece out. To gain access to the front of the engine, you'll need to remove these 10mm bolts. To get to the last 10mm bolt on this one, there is a subwoofer that's here. You need to take the 3 bolts that hold the cover on, flip that up, slide this up, pull it out, unplug, and then the last 10mm bolt is right behind it. With the last bolt out of the way, you can now take off the front cover. All right, so the next thing I'm going to tackle up here is to get the belt off. And that's by sticking my 30mm wrench on it and just getting the tension off that belt, sliding it off. There we go. Get some light in here. One thing I did notice, the tensioner there looks like it's on its last leg, so I'm going to replace that as well. To get the tensioner pulley, well, to get the tensioner off, you have to take the assembly off. It's held in by just 2 bolts. So you have this one at the bottom and this longer one at the top. And then once you get this out on the back side, you take this bolt out and you can remove this tensioner. Let's turn this on a little extra light here. If it's not a habit you're in, it's probably one you should get into, and that's when you put your old parts back onto the car, clean them, because it's always fun to put shiny new parts on, and a lot of times it just takes a couple minutes to get all that grease off, and you can have
what looks like a shiny new part put back on your car. Helps you identify if there's any problems in the future. So again, just if it's something you don't do, it's a good, easy habit to get into, and it'll help you out down the road.
And that's how you change the belt in your Cayman. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks.